like, enough.
Nation's biggest fuel pipelines forced to shut down.
Imagine this. The world feels less stable than ever. Food shortages, civil unrest, and the threat of cyber attacks loom in the headlines. In 2025, a growing number of preppers aren't just stockpiling supplies, they're building secret communities. But why? And what can we learn from them? At its core, prepping has always been about survival. But going solo only works for so long. When resources run out, when defense becomes a 24/7 job, and when skills are limited, one person, or even one family, can't do it all. That's why preppers are turning to community survival models, creating networks where each member contributes something unique: medical knowledge, food production, security, or technical skills. These secret communities often form in rural or off-grid locations, far from major population centers. They're designed not just to ride out a disaster, but to rebuild a functioning society if the system collapses. Think of them as modern-day fortresses, complete with gardens, water sources, and defense plans. But secrecy is key. Why? Because if word gets out, these communities could become targets. In an SHTF scenario, desperate people will look for supplies. Preppers know that survival isn't just about what you have, it's about protecting it. The rise of these hidden networks shows us something powerful. Humans survive best when we band together. And while you might not be ready to join a secret commune in the woods, you can start thinking now about your own prepper community. Trusted family, friends, or neighbors you can rely on when things get tough. So, here's the question. If disaster strikes tomorrow, do you have people you can depend on? Or will you face it alone? Stick around, because in our next video, we'll explore how to start building your own prepper community, step by step.